Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 kitchen's useful gadgets that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video. Number 5. The premium quality over the sink. Stainless steel oval colander by U.S. Kitchen Supply is a fine addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality rubber material with a sleek stainless steel color, this colander combines durability with elegance. With product dimensions of 14.5 inches in length, 9.5 inches in width, and 3.5 inches in height, it offers ample space for draining fruits, vegetables, pasta, and more. The oval shape provides a modern twist to the traditional colander design, making it a stylish and functional choice for your kitchen. The U.S. Kitchen Supply brand is known for its commitment to quality and innovation, and this colander is no exception. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the fine craftsmanship and attention to detail set it apart.
Number 4. The Kommenstein 16-jar Ellington revolving countertop spice rack is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Made from durable plastic, this spice rack is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The clear color allows for easy identification of spices, while the revolving feature makes it convenient to access all jars with ease. Measuring at 10.63 inches in diameter, 9 inches in width, and 6 inches in height, this spice rack is compact enough to fit on any countertop without taking up too much space. The tiered shelf type ensures that all 16 jars are neatly organized and easily visible. What sets this spice rack apart is its revolving design, which allows you to spin the rack to quickly find the spice you need. This feature is especially useful when you're in the middle of cooking and need to access different spices efficiently. Overall, the Kommenstein 16-jar Ellington revolving countertop spice rack is a practical and stylish solution for storing your spices.
Number 3. The KitchenAid Gourmet 4-sided stainless steel box. Grater for Fine is a versatile and high-quality kitchen tool that caters to various grating needs. Made from durable stainless steel material, this grater showcases the KitchenAid brand's commitment to both functionality and style. Measuring at 6.3 inches in length, 6.3 inches in width, and 9.6 inches in height, this box grater is designed for convenience and easy storage. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to its appearance, making it a great addition to any kitchen setting. What sets this product apart is its 4-sided design, each side offering a different grating option: fine grating, coarse grating, zesting, and slicing. This multifunctional feature allows users to seamlessly switch between tasks, enhancing efficiency and productivity in the kitchen. Furthermore, the stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable tool for everyday use. Whether you need to grate cheese.
Number 2. The KitchenAid Gourmet Stainless Steel Wire Masher is a versatile tool that stands out in the kitchen. With a durable plastic construction and sleek matte black color, this product not only looks stylish but also delivers excellent performance. The KitchenAid brand is known for its quality and innovation, and this wire masher lives up to that reputation. Measuring 10.24 inches in length and 4.8 inches in width, it provides a comfortable grip and optimal mashing capabilities. One of the key highlights of this product is its dishwasher-safe feature, making cleaning up a breeze after use. This convenience adds to the overall appeal of the KitchenAid Gourmet Stainless Steel Wire Masher. Whether you're mashing potatoes, avocados, or other ingredients, this tool is up to the task. Its sturdy construction.
Number 1. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is a reliable and efficient kitchen tool that offers convenience and versatility for everyone. Its foldable design makes storage easy and compact, perfect for kitchens with limited space. The sleek silver color adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen setting. This vegetable chopper is not limited to just vegetables, but can also be used for cheese, enhancing its usability in various culinary tasks. With a single speed setting, the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper provides simplicity and ease of use for all users. Overall, the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is a well-designed product that caters to the needs of individuals looking for a practical and functional kitchen tool. Its combination of features makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, whether for everyday cooking or special occasions.